How to install LiveChat on Volusion. Volusion LiveChat. Equip your Volusion store with LiveChat, a dead easy-to-use chat tool that will allow you to increase the value of your customer service. Show you customers how good your support is and close more deals in a process. Add LiveChat to Volusion. Learn how to add a chat to your Volusion store. 1. Log into your Volusion 1 administration panel. From there, go to Design Themes. 2. To proceed, click on Edit HTML available under the Themes section. 3. You will see a file editor screen. There, paste your LiveChat snippet just before the closing tag. Get your LiveChat snippet from Settings Installation My Website section of your LiveChat. 4. To finalize the process, click on Save button. And that's all. LiveChat is now added to your Volusion store and you can start providing your customers with the on-the-spot customer service.